6:46 and the sky's on fire. Soft gold lifting from the sea. Night still warm from a summer side. 19 degrees in an easy breeze. Rainbow resting on Genoa Peak. Western hills in quiet light. Seabirds calling across the town. Morning breaking wild. Windows glow and the rooftops shine. Smoke trails rising thin and slow. You can feel it in your chest tonight. Something letting go. On sunrise over Gaybo, burning bright and letting me know this is where my heart will stay. Like breaking into day, rainbow high on Genoa's line, golden air, and it feels like mine. From the shore to the open sea, this morning sets me free, sets me free. Water shining like hammered gold, clouds stretched wide across the bay. Rain is coming, or so we're told, but not today. 23 when the daylight grows, light wind moving through the trees. Summer lingers before it goes, breathing through the breeze. Seabirds crying above the roofs, echoing through the air. You can feel the whole world turn right here. Autumn sunrise over Gaybo, rising up like I always know. This is where my heart will stay. Like breaking into day, rainbow high on Genoa's line. Western sky and fire and shine. From the inlet calm to the sea, this morning sets me free, sets me free. Not goodbye, just a change in light. Summer fading out of sight. Still the warmth is holding on, holding on. First new breath of a turning year. Feel it close and feel it near. Everything I need is here, right here on sunrise over Gaybo, shining down and I let it go. This is where my heart will stay. Light breaking into day, rainbow high on Genoa's line, written across that western sky. From Mallacoota to the sea, this morning sets me free. Sunrise over Gaybo, golden bright, and I know this is where my heart will stay. Like breaking into day. Like breeze moving through the bay. Rain will find us some other day. Seabirds crying far away. Autumn stay.